Hi everyone. Before we start the new year, I just want to say a huge thank you. Over the past 4 months, your support through views, comments, and thoughtful discussions has helped shape this channel, What I Do Hub, more than you might realize. This channel has always been about building a strong foundation in hydrology, hydraulics, and water resources management, translating complex theory into practical insights. I would like to wish you all a happy new year and all the best for the year ahead, both professionally and personally. Looking ahead, I have several initiatives planned. These include videos that dive deeper into hydrological and hydraulic modeling and design, a new playlist exploring AI and machine learning applications in our industry, and finally, technical training and career development sessions for those interested. I will share the details when the time is right. Thanks again for being part of this community, and I'm really looking forward to what's ahead.